He's like, wow, Kevin, you look good, buddy.
He's dreaming, man.
Yeah, you can just see the little.
He's like, yeah, this is
Taking it all in.
Open road, there we go.
Yep. It's good
Head
therapy.
out on the
Best therapy in the
highway.
world.
Would it be too much for him if I started it for him?
The noise, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, maybe we'll see how the noise goes.
Hey,
No, it's
hey,
a
Kevin, you want me to start that?
You want him to start it?
Is it okay if I put the picture on our Facebook page?
Sure, that'd be awesome, yes.
Oh, wow. He's like, whoa. Look at his face. Wow, buddy. That is awesome.
He actually had a smile. You said he had a little smile on his face.
That totally made his day.
He doesn't smile very often. He doesn't.
Good, good.
Come on, buddy.
You're going to try not to cry.
What about you?
Try not to cry, and he's not even my son. Every moment like this is a real treasure with him. Oh, absolutely. Hey, do that again. Look at
Put up right over
the
here.
look on his face is like, even though he's nonverbal, it's like you can see, the.
Oh, he's paying attention. He's going to start this himself in a minute.
That'd be a professional.
Here. Come right here. There you go. Oh, yeah. All right, that was the red line. We're good.
That totally made his day.
Right on, man.
Wow. That's awesome.
That's cool.
He's like, wow, I don't even know which way to go.
He's still vibrating.
Excellent.
Thank you so much, Dennis.
You guys are coming.